In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a line in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean, looping animated line you can use as a divider, an accent, or a stylish emphasis in your edits. Start by opening CapCut and heading into your project. You can work on desktop or mobile. The steps are the same. If your timeline is empty, add a background clip, a solid color, or set a canvas so you can clearly see the line you're about to create. This makes it easier to judge thickness, contrast, and placement. Next, add a text element. We're going to turn simple text into a line, which gives you precise control over length, color, and animation. In the text editor, click into the typing area and press the underscore key several times. Each underscore adds to the length, so hold Shift and tap the hyphen until the line reaches the width you want. If the underscores wrap to a second line, reduce the font size or decrease letter spacing to keep it on a single row. Choosing a monospaced or bold sans serif font helps keep the line weight consistent. Now style the line so it looks intentional. Adjust font size to set thickness and change the text color to match your design. If you want a perfectly thin line, use a smaller size. For a bar-style accent, bump it up. Align it to the center or snap it to the edges using the guides, and rotate if you prefer a vertical line. A tiny bit of character spacing can prevent the ends from looking cramped, while reducing spacing tightens it up for a solid bar feel. With the line looking right, add effects for subtle polish. Open the effects section and pick something that enhances the line without distracting from your content. A gentle glow, shadow, or blur can make the line pop against busy footage. Keep it light. This is about accenting, not overpowering your edit. Finally, open the animation panel and choose a loop animation so the line moves continuously. Look for presets that fit your style: a soft pulse for breathing motion, a slide for directional movement, or a wave for a dynamic underline feel. Adjust duration and speed to control the rhythm. Shorter durations feel energetic, longer ones feel calm. If direction is available, set it to move left to right for progress-style lines, or up and down for attention cues. Make sure your text clip is long enough on the timeline to cover the full loop, and preview to confirm the motion is smooth and seamless. That's it. Your animated line is ready to elevate titles, transitions, and callouts with clean, repeatable motion.